I was at the Fox Valley Technical College car show today. I made this video about, I think it's about 11 o'clock at night, finally got back. I was at a vinyl party, so I'm doing a road rally this summer. So we're getting the vinyl on the car. So I've been busy all day, so I haven't even really been talk for the most part. I've been up since like 6, getting the car together and getting the show and all that. Give you a quick shot of the car. Start raining, so ignore all the water drops over and get rid of those. Number 39 in the River Valley Road Rally, happening June 23rd. I'm excited for it. So we were over at Custom Offsets, getting all the vinyl on today. I had to head there right after the show. Pretty excited for it though. But yeah, so the Road Valley, I'm gonna make a video for that all in itself, so it's a conveyor today of that. That'll be all put in a video together when I go and I make the total video for the Road Rally. Hope you guys enjoy the day, and peace out. Forgot to mention, I actually won today. I got a best in class for modified 2001 present vehicles. So pretty pumped about that. First trophy with the Z06.